Hey guys, it's Jan Sharte and I'm back again with another video. So today we're going to be talking about how Amazon, SheIn, and Temu are not hindering your business. Okay, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel where we talk about boutiques, e-commerce, business, and all things making money online. All right, so every day, pretty much every day, someone who is considering opening a boutique or someone who has already started their boutique and it's just like kind of not working, they'll ask me questions like, is it even worth it to run a boutique or start a boutique when businesses like Amazon and Temu and SheIn and Fashion Nova are like basically running the industry per se? Or they'll say, well, we can't make any sales because everybody is shopping with those brands. And I'm here to set the record straight and let you know that that ain't the case for all of us, okay? It just ain't a thing. So just to put this as frank as possible, you need to understand marketing. You need to understand who your target audience is. You need to understand branding. There is a lot of that wrapped in why people shop with those brands. Now, granted, most people ain't shopping with SheIn and Temu for their branding, right? But they are shopping with them because of the marketing. And it's not necessarily the marketing from the business itself. A lot of times it's the marketing from influencers, content creators, and advertising and things of that nature. So what I want to talk to you guys in this video is, or talk about in this video with you guys is, what you should or could be doing to elevate your business and create more opportunities for you to make sales regardless of people shopping with those brands, okay? All right, girls, so I ain't gonna lie to you, business is not as easy as I am making it seem in this video. It, in fact, gets a lot harder. So let's just skip all the nonsense and get straight to business. Click the link in the description and grab my $1,000 a day challenge. It's $19, and it's gonna walk you through the 5 most important elements of growing your boutique or e-commerce business. So go ahead and click that link, girl, because the rest of this video is gonna confuse you even more than it has to. So the biggest things that I want to talk about in this video is going to be marketing, and more specifically how these businesses are leveraging marketing to generate revenue. The biggest things that they're utilizing right now are going to be content creators. So not necessarily influencers. Some of them are influencers, but a lot of times just content creators. I'm sure as you scroll your TikTok or your Instagram, you see girls literally promoting their favorite Amazon finds and all of those things. I've even seen TikTok pages that are dedicated to people sharing their Amazon finds. And while you may be thinking, man, they're getting so much money or making so much money for Amazon, in all actuality, they're just doing work because they're getting paid for how much money they generate for Amazon. So that is called affiliate marketing, if you did not know. And that is something that you could be leveraging or utilizing as a small business. And I know that because I use affiliate marketing in my little small business. So essentially how affiliate marketing works is the creator gets to create an account on that business's website. They get to join their creator program. And they get to choose what products they would like to promote in their own content. And they get paid based off of the number of people that use their link to purchase that product. So let's say, for example, you saw a girl promoting her new favorite camera, for example, and she tells you to comment a word or click a link in her bio to grab that camera for yourself. So she is not just sending you to Amazon's website. She's sending you to Amazon's website through a link that is tied back to her marketing efforts. And so when and if you or I purchase that camera, she's going to receive a percentage of the amount of money that was spent on that camera because she was technically speaking the reason why you chose to buy the camera. So that's called affiliate marketing. You're basically allowing someone else to promote your brand and products, and they get their own link. And anytime someone visits your website and makes a purchase, after clicking that link, they get a percentage of that sale. That is what's happening with these brands, with Amazon, I'm sure with SheIn and Temu. So these brands are basically allowing regular people to kind of work for them at the end of the day. And it's not a case of like they're getting a a check every 2 weeks, or like they're getting paid by the hour or anything like that. It's literally them, the content creator, having the understanding that if they continue to promote this brand and the products, and they can convince us, the regular human beings, the consumers, to purchase it, they're going to get paid. So as a small business, you too could be doing that. Let's say you find a girl who seems to have Amazon on lock. Like every day she's creating content for Amazon and people love it, and she's basically convincing them to buy it. You could reach out to her and say, hey, are you interested in affiliate marketing for my boutique, or whatever kind of brand that you have? Here's how it's going to work. We're going to send you a box of whatever, or you can choose however many items on our website. We're going to give you your own link, and anytime you generate purchases for us, we're going to give you a percentage of that sale. That is literally all that it takes. And to the content creator, it's not necessarily a case of them being loyal to just Amazon. Again, it's just a job for them. They're looking for opportunities to make money. So they're not just doing this out of the kindness of their heart. They're not just creating Amazon content just for the sake of creating Amazon content. They're creating content about Amazon's products because they get paid to do so. And not even they get paid to do so, they're getting paid whenever we purchase something. That is what is occurring. So when people tell me that they feel like they're not making money because of Amazon, it's not true. They just have a lot of marketing happening for their brands. And so as a small business owner, you have to develop a marketing strategy that's going to create those same type of opportunities for your business. Now, on the flip side, where we may fall short as a small business is going to be inventory. Just simply put, you need enough inventory to support the demand that may be created when this content creator starts to promote your brand and your products. So imagine that this person has 100,000 followers. She creates this content. Everybody's in love with it. And maybe, 20,000 of the people that follow her now want to buy this product, and you only got 6. That don't make sense. So you want to make sure that you have an inventory management strategy, because ultimately, if you don't, this isn't going to work out the way that you want. And no other way to put it, you can't compete with that level of distribution happening with Amazon. You got six products on in your possession. Okay, so SheIn, Temu, Fashion Nova, all the people. Yes, they're big businesses. Yes, they have access to resources and money and things like that that we don't have access to. However, what we do, in fact, have access to is content creators. We all have access to paid advertising. We all have access to email marketing. We have access to the same marketing tools and tactics that these big brands are utilizing. And for a lot of small business owners, the reason that their businesses are not working out the way that they want them to is because they don't understand those marketing tools and tactics, or they're not leveraging them to the best of their abilities. We are often convincing ourselves that there's a certain number of times that we should be doing something, or a certain amount of money that we should be spending on something, when in all actuality, you just need to start. You need to use it to see what results you get as a result of utilizing the thing. So that goes for ads, that goes for emails, that goes for text marketing, that goes for affiliate marketing, that goes for all of the things. It's not a case of you get to use one and you should expect to get the same results as these bigger brands. You should use them all. Figure out how they fit into your business strategy and into your marketing strategy, so that you can see what you get as a result of each one of them. So I hope this helps to lessen some of that stress and anxiety around why you think you're not making money, or your think or belief that, Amazon or Fashion Nova and all the brands are hindering you in some way, because they're not. You get to create opportunity for your business, but you have to actually literally create those opportunities for your business, okay? So I hope this helps. If you need help with any of those things, the email marketing and the text marketing and the ads and the UGC and the influencer marketing and so on and so forth, inside of my monthly membership, we talk about all of these things. So I'm going to put the link in the description for you to check it out if you're interested. If you have any questions, as always, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.